Hello, as you know, I'm Alex from the YouTube channel eDrive. Well, right now at the Vorndran, that's a Renault electric car dealer in Germany. Actually, that's the biggest electric car dealer of Renault in whole Europe. That's where I bought my car. And I just saw a Renault Zoe here without the front bumper. And I'd like to show you how it looked like here in front. Yeah, here that's probably the water for the wiper, and there the aircon. Here in front the charger, the plug for the charger, and the very big red cables, the high voltage cables. That's the motor there. Oh, is it a Q motor or a R motor? I don't know it. Here that's the cooler to cool down the charging device, and for the aircon. I'm not pretty sure, but I think this is the horn and this is the sound generator to make the wobbling driving sound, woo woo woo, and some other electronic devices inside. Yeah, it's interesting to see how it looked like from in front behind the bumper. Yeah, that's it. Only a short video about the Renault Zoe, how it looked like in front behind the bumper. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, please put it like always in the comments below the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.